Planning your first trip to Vietnam? This is your full step-by-step travel checklist. From visas and flights to SIM cards, local food, top destinations, transport, and even cultural tips. Whether you're backpacking or going luxury, this is the only guide you'll need. Let's dive in. Vietnam stretches long from north to south, so weather can vary greatly. This means that the best time to visit can depend on which part of the country you're planning to explore. But here's the quick guide to help you plan your trip more effectively. North Vietnam, including Hanoi, Sapa, and Ha Long Bay, is best from March to May and September to November, when it's cool and dry. These months offer the most pleasant weather for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Central Vietnam, such as Hue, Da Nang, and Hoi An, is best from February to August, perfect for sunny beach weather. This region experiences its most favorable conditions during these months, making it ideal for beachgoers and history enthusiasts alike. South Vietnam, including Ho Chi Minh City and the Mekong Delta, is warm year-round. This area enjoys a tropical climate, so you can expect warm temperatures no matter when you visit. The dry season runs from December to April. This is generally the best time to visit if you want to avoid the rain and enjoy outdoor activities. Pro tip: March and April are excellent for exploring all regions with fewer crowds. These months offer a great balance of good weather and fewer tourists, making your trip more enjoyable. Fly into one of these major airports: Hanoi, known as Noi Bai International for the north, Da Nang International for central Vietnam, and Ho Chi Minh City, or Tan Son Nhut International for the south. Use Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Hopper for the best fares. Regional airlines like Vietjet Air, Bamboo Airways, and Vietnam Airlines are reliable. Vietnam offers e-visas for over 80 nationalities, valid for 90 days, single or multiple entry. You'll need a passport valid for at least 6 months, a return or onward ticket, and $25 to $50 for processing. Visit the official e-visa portal for more details. You can find link in description. After landing, grab your bags and head to immigration with your e-visa printout. Avoid airport taxis. Instead, use Grab or Bee, which are local ride apps. You can also opt for airport shuttle buses, which are budget-friendly, or pre-book your ride with Klook or GetYourGuide. Oh, and a quick tip: have some small local cash, Vietnamese dong, ready. ATMs are widely available. Stay connected with top providers like Viettel, Vinaphone, or Mobifone. Physical SIM cards are easy to get at the airport or 7-Eleven stores. If you prefer an eSIM, you can activate it before arrival via apps like Aralo or Holafly. Expect 15 to 30 gigabyte data plans for around $5 to $10. Getting around is easy. Just download Grab or Bee for taxis and food delivery. You can book buses and trains online with 12Go Asia. Momo is a popular Vietnamese payment app, and Google Maps is reliable, with offline mode working well. Trains are scenic, buses are cheap, and domestic flights save time for those longer routes. Here are trusted budget hotels and hostels under $40 per night. In Hanoi, you have Nexi Hostel and Little Charm Hanoi Hostel. In Hoi An, there's Tri Bi Kin and Hoi An Dream City Hotel. And in Ho Chi Minh City, you can stay at the Like Hostel or Pre Nocor Hostel. Use Agoda or Booking.com and filter by location and guest reviews. If you prefer luxury, Vietnam offers stunning stays ranging from $100 to $300+ per night. Top picks include the Intercontinental Da Nang Sun Peninsula Resort, Amanoi Resort in Ninh Thuan, Sofitel Legend Metropole Hanoi, and the Reverie Saigon. These are world-class properties for spa retreats, fine dining, and unbeatable views. After a long travel day, unwind with a Vietnamese massage or herbal bath. You can visit Sen Spa in Ho Chi Minh City, various spas in Hoi An Old Town, or the Nguyen Mud Spa Center. Prices range from $10 to $25 for 60 to 90 minutes of bliss. You must eat your way through Vietnam. Start with pho traditional beef noodle soup, banh mi crunchy baguette sandwich, bun cha grilled pork with noodles, cao lao only found in Hoi An, egg coffee sweet Hanoi specialty. Best food spots: try Hanoi's Old Quarter, Ben Thanh Market, and Hoi An Night Market. Here's the ultimate list for first-timers: Hanoi culture, food, street life. Explore the vibrant streets of the Old Quarter where history meets modernity. Don't miss out on the street food vendors offering delicious local delicacies. Halong Bay, cruise through limestone cliffs. Experience the breathtaking views from a boat and marvel at the natural beauty of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sapa rice terraces, mountain treks. Trek through the lush green terraces and visit the ethnic minority villages to learn about their unique cultures. Ninh Binh called Halong Bay on land. Take a scenic boat ride through the stunning landscapes and explore the limestone mountains. Hue, Imperial City, historic charm. Discover the ancient architecture and historic temples that tell the story of Vietnam's imperial past. Hoi An lantern-lit Old Town magic. Wander through the charming streets lit by colorful lanterns and soak in the enchanting atmosphere. Da Nang beaches plus Golden Bridge. Relax on the beautiful beaches and visit the iconic Golden Bridge for stunning views. Ho Chi Minh City, buzzing energy, history. Experience the vibrant nightlife and explore the historical landmarks that define this bustling city. Mekong Delta, floating markets, river life. Navigate through the floating markets and enjoy the serene river life in this unique region. Phu Quoc Island, beach escape. Unwind on the pristine beaches, watch the stunning sunsets, and indulge in the luxury resorts. Tip: use trains or buses between cities or budget flights to save time. Traveling by train or bus offers scenic views, while budget flights are perfect for saving time on longer distances. Want to experience Vietnamese culture? Dive into the heart of Vietnam by timing your visit with its vibrant local festivals. Time your visit with these festivals. Tet, the Vietnamese New Year, which happens in late January or February. This is the most important celebration in Vietnam, marked by grand fireworks, traditional family feasts, and lively street celebrations. Expect fireworks, family feasts, and street celebrations. It's a time when families come together, and the entire country is filled with joy and festivity. Then there's the Mid-Autumn Festival, featuring lanterns, mooncakes, and parades in September or October. This festival is especially magical for children, with lantern processions and delicious mooncakes. Don't miss the Hoi An Full Moon Lantern Festival, which happens monthly on full moon nights when the Old Town lights up. The streets are adorned with colorful lanterns, creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. Plan around these for magical, unforgettable vibes. These festivals offer a unique glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Vietnam, making your visit truly special. Pack smart. Here's your Vietnam essentials. Travel insurance, a power adapter. Type A and C, 220 volts at 50 Hz. Lightweight clothes and a rain jacket, flip-flops, plus walking shoes. A reusable water bottle, sunscreen, and bug spray passport copies, and your return ticket and international driver's license, optional for scooters. A SIM pin, offline Google Maps, or translate and local cash, Vietnamese dong, plus a credit or debit card. A few must-knows to respect local culture. Dress modestly in temples. Remove shoes when entering homes. Avoid public displays of affection. Use both hands when giving or receiving items. And smile. Vietnamese people are incredibly warm and friendly. That's your ultimate Vietnam travel checklist. Like this video, subscribe to Let's Travel Vibes, and comment below. What are you most excited to see in Vietnam?